Today I'm reviewing the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro wireless earbuds. At the time of this video, these wireless earbuds are only $79. And that's insane for the amount of features you get. LDAC high-res sound, aptX lossless audio, adaptive noise canceling, and a 37-hour battery with the case. But these are just a list of specs, so I'm going to test them out and see how they compare to other earbuds in the price range and how they compare to higher end ones too. Now I test out a lot of wireless earbuds, and I even just did a video where I compared all of the best wireless earbuds under $100. And spoiler alert, the SoundPEATS were one of the best. And I've even been comparing them to more expensive earbuds, such as the Beats Fit Pro and Apple's AirPods Pro, and they didn't do too bad. Okay, let's start with the design first. I test a lot of wireless earbuds, and these are one of the coolest looking ones I've seen, if that matters to you. They fit really nice in the ear and they're very comfortable. You can wear them all day. You can also control these earbuds with taps, which can be customized in the app. Nice small compact case, however it does not have wireless charging. And they have an IPX5 rating, so they can handle direct water pressure. Not bad. And yeah, the battery life too is great. It claims 7.5 hours on a single charge, 37 hours including the case, and the quick charging case is supposed to get you to 2 hours and 10 minutes. Now, I've been using these for quite a while, and I've never even charged the case. So yeah, really great battery life. And then of course the most important part for most people is how they sound with music. I've been into audio my entire life, and I'm a musician. I went to college for music, so I am somewhat picky about audio. I tested these earbuds with a variety of different kinds of music, and I tested it with LDAC, and again, the sound is just so good, especially at this price. Like I said, I put these up against 9 other earbuds, all under $100. Again, these are $79 at the time of this video, and these were one of the absolute best. And there were only 2 other models that really stacked up against these, and I had to go back and forth a number of times to really tell the differences. But yeah, the sound quality is phenomenal. Very good separation of highs and lows, very good bass, really impressive. Now I also put these up against the AirPods Pro, and these are $250, and the Beats Fit Pro, which are about $200. And they didn't quite compare, but they did put up a great fight. It's hard to compare once you're spending over $200, but I'll say it again, $79. So like I said, it does have LDAC for high-res audio, and it has aptX lossless. Now something to keep in mind, if you're using these with an iPhone, none of that matters. iPhones don't support LDAC or aptX. Many Android devices, however, do support LDAC. It just depends on the type of phone, the settings, and the app you're using for music playback. Now let's talk about active noise canceling. These use an adaptive hybrid ANC, and it's rated at -55 decibels, and that's one of the best in this price range. It also uses a 6 microphone system to help aid with the active noise cancellation. I've tested this in a number of situations, and it's pretty great, especially for the price. In addition, those 6 microphones make these really great for phone calls too. I've been on the phone, on Zoom meetings, really great. These also have Multipoint, so you could connect multiple devices at the same time, like your laptop and your smartphone, and easily switch between the two. Now I do want to talk about the app. Now I think this is a great app with a lot of features, but it can be a little finicky. When I first tried to pair these earbuds, they just wouldn't connect. It took a while and several tries, but once it finally connected, it's fine. If you look up the app in the Play Store or the App Store, both have a very bad rating, but I don't think it's justified, to be honest. I mean, it's packed with features. You can switch it from normal to noise cancellation to transparency. You can customize what happens when you touch one of the earbuds. It has an equalizer, a fit test, and even a find earbuds feature. So the first time you're pairing your earbuds, and every time you initially connect them to the app, it can be a little bit finicky, but other than that, I think the app's great, and it doesn't deserve such low ratings in my opinion. So let's wrap this up. The SoundPEATS Air5 Pro are phenomenal for the price. They look great, they sound great for music, for phone calls. It has very impressive active noise cancellation, really nice bass, excellent battery life, packed with features like LDAC and aptX if you could even use them, IPX5 waterproof rating, Multipoint, 6 microphones, great for phone calls. So if you're looking for a really great pair of wireless earbuds under $100, these are great, and I have no trouble recommending them. The product link is in the description. If you like honest, straightforward, no-nonsense reviews about tech products, including smartphone and smart home, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching.